Yeah, hello friend. Welcome back. This is LRBS Today. Today we're going to talk about. I'm going to show you how you create HTML and CSL plus JavaScript using Microsoft Visual Studio Code. This Visual Studio Code. How do you work in it? How do you use a Visual Studio Code? I did the other videos how to install this video, how to download this Visual Studio Code and install it. But now today I'm going to show you how you do the CSL, the JavaScript, and the HTML. So while we not waste time, we will double click on this Visual Studio Code. So you see how to write your file code, how to write your file code when you program it. So as the Visual Studio Code is opening, so what I'm going to do here, as you can pay attention, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you the easier way to do this thing. So I'm going to minimize this work. Here, one of the things when you're building a website for people, you need to have a folder. So here I'm going to create a folder here and name the folder, and so that we can use that folder as a case study so you understand what I mean. So the folder, I'm going to name the folder list, LISBT. This is our abbreviation for our computer school, so in Kuwait, Monrovia, Liberia. So this folders, I'm use this one as a case study. So you click here to the Visual Studio Code, so that let me try to make it a little bit bigger so you can see. Now you see the Visual Studio Code is open. So the first thing you have to do in the Visual Studio Code, and it's still loading, but the first thing we're not going to waste time, you have to do is to open the new folders, new project folders. So what we're going to do here is we're going to, this is all folders. You come to File, select this one, Open Folders, see it? Or you use a Control Alternate key to get it. So you come right here, the shortcut is Control Alternate key, but you just click this one, Open Folders, and else the dialog box open. So we are on the desktops. I create this folder just now, list. So this one going to be our project folder. So I click on it. From there I use a select folder. Now the you can wait, let the machine load. Now we have a new project folder. See the folder here, list. This is a folder. So we have this folder. So click on this folder. We're going to click on this folder. We'll click on this folder. You click here. I think you see here it's a new file. So we click the first file we have to click is a HTML file. So we're using 3 different languages we put together to make good document, to make very good one. I click this one. The first one, HTML, everyone know we say index, INDEX, index doc HTML. You threw this one. This one we already finished with that. That's the first one. So we come to this one. We come to the second one here. You can come to the same area, new file. You click here. Now we can use a CSS file. So CSS is style C. So we say style STYLE style.css. Style.css. That's how you do the work. I want for all to do this thing Liberian way so that you can understand the whole programming, the whole web development. To do advanced web development, even video game you can do here. But continue follow. I did want the video games on this particular visual code, so you can also watch that video. So now you got this. So you come back to the second file. We need to create a third file. Click here, new folder again. So this time around, what we need to do JavaScript. So it's in the JavaScript file we need to do. So we call the script script. We use a script.js. JS means JavaScript. That is the way how you can code it. So you see, now we have this. We have the three file. I think you can see here now. We have the HTML file. We have the JavaScript. We have the CSS file, which is a style sheet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start writing the HTML file. So I'm going to click on the HTMLs here. We start with the HTMLs. So what I'm going to do here, just going to paste this work here so that we can make this video short so that everybody can understand. So now we have this. So this is it. You can copy this if you want. If you want to do more practice, you can pause the videos and just copy all these things are here. So you can do that. And I also have the text files for it. So this is it. Now we have this. So the first thing we use a text, we use this one as our, this is the headings for our work. So we're using it. We use it. We're going to use, I want my titles of the work to be LIS, LRSBT, so that it will be LIS Computer School. So I type here LIS Computer School, and LIS Computer School. So we have a LIS Computer School. So this is the first one we have. Mind you that this is a link. This link is the star sheet links by connecting this one. So you can also type it. And you can pause the video, you type it, you do it one by one so that you understand. This is a link. Now we have another one here is a heading. This one, if you watch my first HTML video where you do H1, H2. So welcome to, we say welcome to LRBS Tule. So I have the welcome to LRBS Tule. I have this already. Welcome to LRBS Tule. You can add this if you want. It's optional, son. If you want, you can add it. So we have a LRBS Tule. So now we have, this is the HTML file we just have. So this one here is a JavaScript file. This one is a JavaScript file. That's why it says script connecting this particular file. That's what we are doing. To connect this file, we use this one to do this. This is the right way how you do the connections. We have this is bodied, and then you can close this one. Now we come back to the CSL to put some of our backgrounds in place. So here we come to the CSL here. CSL is a background. So you click here. What you need to do, you have to first type the bodies. You type the bodies. You see, I think when you type, the text editor can help you to do the work faster for you. Just make sure you type this in this particular column and press enter. Here you type background. Just say BAC. You see background color. Just use the tab key. Everything will take effect. They ask you, these are all the instructions of the various colors. So I want this. So I click this one. I like that color. That color is nice for me. So that is it. So when you get that, now you have to click come to file here, and you say save all. And you know here it says save all. You click here save all. So you have all these files will be saved. That's will help you too. So after that, you come to this JavaScript file. It depends what all you want to write here. But I will first to write something here for you so that we can make our work faster. Let me just copy this quick, and I'm not a very good file typer, so that is how I look. And so have you that we have this one, and this is it. You can just type documents.write. You say hello, you know, hello our students, hello viewers. We said we can write any stuff here. We said say hello viewers, hello viewer. That is our JavaScript. So we want for it to take an effect on our side when we try to do some business demonstration. So here, hello viewers, we can save this, or you press Ctrl S, or you have option here to come to file and save the work. Well, you already saved. So you got you first mind you that we are loading this work. Every this work will be loaded from the all this work will be loaded from the HTML's work. So send it will be loaded here. So what you need to do, you can just save this work. That's let's say the work. You can minimize the work. So refresh this work. You can also this is a file. I think this not this. Okay, this is a file. You can list file. So here you see this is it. You can load it through HTML. So index files. When you double click on this, see what happened, and you wait that the machine loads once. Have you to see what are you on track on building your very nice website. So you double click on it and you see what will going to happen. Okay, now you see. Okay, this is it. Seeing it? Mind you that welcome to LRBS today is a HTML file, but this one you have is a JavaScript. Hello viewer, this is a JavaScript statement. This background we use it is for CSL. This background here is a CSL. So you see, welcome to LRBS today. That is it. But hello viewer, this is a JavaScript file. So JavaScript is a very good in web development. It helps you to develop even some video games, some tic-tac-toe game. It can make you to understand how to manipulate the website development system. You're able to do a lot of so background. But if you continue following my video, you will see more of JavaScript as well. As I said, so this is it. And the background you can change it like I come by to here. If I want to come to CSS photo here, I want to change the backgrounds. So I can just take this one out, and I can just take that background out. So I can just take the background out. Okay, let me just take different colors instead of taking the entire background out. So say background color. So this time around, I will select the blue colors. So blue color, see the blue colors, nice. So the only thing you have to do, you have to come to file here and click here, save. Along you say save, you can minimize your work. You see what you can refresh it here. And, use you can refresh it to reload. Let me see. You come right here and reload your work. See the blues, you got a blue background. That is way how you combine the JavaScript and CSLs, and to do very beautiful work for you. And the HTML is a very good, and you have to use a text editor here. This is a Microsoft Visual Studio Code. It's a very good effective text editor. It do more work than Notepad++, also I can guarantee you for that. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you.